This short video gives instructions on how to solve physics word problems. The first step is to read the problem. When you read the problem, you make sure you understand what it's talking about. The second step is to draw a picture. This picture can help you understand the problem. Third step is to identify the information that you need and the information that's been given and put this all in a data table. This could be acceleration, position, time, or any other variables. The fourth step is to write down the equation you plan to use. Some examples include x equals vt and v equals v0 plus at. The next step is to plug in the variables and to actually solve. You have to solve for a variable to get an answer. The last step is to check the answer. Is it in the right units? Is it reasonable? Did you actually answer the question that was asked? Sometimes you have to find one thing and then plug it back in to get your final answer. Let's go to an example problem. Frank throws a ball upward at a speed of 5 meters per second. How high does the ball go? The first thing to do is draw a picture, labeling the height and showing that the ball moves up and then back down again. The next thing is to identify the given information in the problem. We know 5 meters per second is the initial speed, and we know the ball goes upward, which means at the top the velocity is 0. We give this information in a data table. y0 equals 0, y equals h. V at the top is 0, and the initial velocity was 5 meters per second. Something not given in the problem is to assume that the acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared because we're on Earth and gravity causes this acceleration. Now we write down the equation we wish to use. V squared equals v naught squared plus 2a times the difference in y's. And we substitute in variables. Moving to the top of the next page, we solve and get 19.6h equals 25. Dividing by 19.6 gives us that h is 1.3 meters. So we look, is this in the correct units? Yes, it's in meters. It's a distance. Is 1.3 meters a reasonable distance for how high the ball would go? Yes, it is. Have we actually answered? Well, the question asks for how high the ball goes, and we have a height. So we actually answered the question. These are some steps to follow in working physics problems.